Hi there, this is a quick how-to and how to carry out proper regeneration on the LG100DT Lonking forklift. First off, the truck is in the off position, so once the key is switched on, you see this red light here illuminates. That's indicating that the AdBlue system is now pumping AdBlue into the AdBlue system. Now, after the truck has been ran and switch back off again, you can see the light is still illuminated. This is the AdBlue system is retracting all the AdBlue from the lines and putting it back into the tank. And while this light is illuminated, do not switch off the isolator switch, as it can cause problems with the AdBlue system. Next, once the truck is running or started, the AdBlue level can be seen on the dash. This shouldn't be below 20%. If it does drop to 20%, make sure you fill the tank up. Also as well, the fuel level should always be kept above the red, so the truck can carry out regenerations when required. Next, we have a label here for the operators to indicate exactly how the system works if they need any quick reference. But I'm going to give you a little show on how to actually carry out the regenerations. So when the truck is at normal operating temperature and being used, this light here, which you'll see in a second, if that light is illuminated while operating the truck should not be switched off, so it will carry out the rest of the regeneration. That light is just indicating high exhaust gas temperatures and indicating that the truck's doing a regeneration passively at that moment. If the ignition is switched off during that time, it can cause problems with allowing the DPF filter to suit up, and we would need to come out with a laptop and carry out a forced regeneration. Next, whenever the truck has this light on in the corner, this one here, you'll see in a second, it has that light on in the corner. That means the truck needs to be parked up and have a forced regeneration done on it, or a part regeneration. So to carry out the part regeneration, the handbrake needs to be on, the direction stalk has to be in neutral, the exhaust gas temperatures and coolant temperatures have to be up to temperature. So the coolant temperature has to be above 50 degrees. There's 75 degrees, so I think it goes in smaller increments. Whenever the regeneration is started by using this button, you would press the button down for 3 seconds and then release it, and then the truck will automatically raise the RPM and carry out the regeneration by itself, which is called a part regeneration. Once the revs die back down and it goes back to normal RPM, then effectively the truck can start being used again. The button to the left of it is the prohibit button, which basically stops the truck from doing a regeneration whenever you're in a high combustible area. And then whenever you come back out of a high combustible area, you would just switch this back off again. So to switch it on, you just flick it, and then the light would come up there indicating that the regens have been shut down, and then once you flick it again, the light will go back off, indicating that the truck will then carry out a regeneration when required.